Hello, I figured I owe you a video on how to run Airbyte connectors with custom components in Connector Builder locally using abctl. So one caveat is that I'm running abctl that I've built locally, and my abctl version is this. To do that, you get to your abctl repository. You can just grab it from GitHub, and you do make a build. It's going to do pretty much the same thing. I think there's one PR that is in there since I last grabbed it. So then you go to build, and your abctl version is going to give you something like this. The kicker is it must be after August 9th. Now, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need a file called values.yaml. I'm going to upload that file along with this video, but basically what this does is it maps additional parameters to some of your services that are running in Airbyte Kubernetes cluster. We're going to provide path to connectors, and we're going to provide extra volumes. And then what you're going to do is you're going to run abctl local install, but with a couple of additional steps that are important. I'm also going to give you this command alongside with the video as well. You mount an additional volume, and you mount your local path to your Airbyte local repository and to connectors directory. And you mount this to /mnt/connectors. That's important. And then you provide this specific values file. /mnt/connectors must match to this. And this name must match as well, and these directories must match. I already did that. So when you do that, you're going to have your abctl cluster running as usual. Let's see if it's running for me. It is. I don't know my credentials, so I need to look them up like this. Okay, I need my password. Let's log in. Nope. Let's go to Builder, and I should already have Poke API Connector. Okay, fine. We don't need this anymore. I have Poke API, and I have a stream called Pokemons that grabs all Pokemons, right? But when I run this, you'll notice something fun. There's a new column called WAT. And there's a transform that is custom. It's a custom transformation of class name source-pokeapi.components.add.wat. And the way we do it is here. Suddenly, source-pokeapi, and that's just a directory within my Airbyte repository, it has a file called components.py. And that file has the class called add.wat. That's why it's source-pokeapi.components.add.wat. It has transform. Basically, whatever you can do in custom components, any custom components that you have on any low-code connectors should run, meaning when you hit test run, as long as you have the test values, you are running the full connector with all of the custom components. That's pretty much it. Happy coding.